Yeah, everyone. Maori, half a day, Ali, Ranandem. Shit! How do you say the name? Look, I'm gonna get better at the Micronesian greetings, okay? Don't judge me. So, my friend is a little upset with me that I'm exposing everybody's jalele story, but not my own. So, I don't want to expose my story, but I have to. Well, I don't have to, but I'm going to. However, mine is different compared to the other ones. Again, I'm a sensitive gangster. Please be kind. It's Christmas. It's around the corner. It don't make sense for y'all to be assholes on here. Because I know for a fact, if you saw me in real person, all you trigger fingers folks wouldn't be saying that to me in real life. So be careful what you type. So my jalele story starts in my middle school years, when I was a little youngin'. I was currently residing with a family relative, and she had her daughter and a niece that lived there, and they were younger than me. There was also 2 adults, or actually 3 adults in the house. Anyway, so one day we were all watching a movie. There was a little girl playing, pretend, because how little kids do. They play pretend. And talking on the phone, and she was talking really loud, like obnoxiously loud. I feel like I was eating ramen at that time and watching TV, and I wanted to watch TV, and I looked at the little girl. We'll call her Susie. My irritation was going up, so I looked at Susie, and I was like, Susie, you cannot pull. The 2 adults that were there looked at each other, and they bust out laughing, and when they laughed, I stopped. Ever since then, that was the beginning of me almost never speaking Marshallese ever again. And just recently, same situation happened to me. I just gave my son a bath, and we were using a new shampoo, and love that shampoo. So he came and he was like cuddling with me, and I was like hugging him and smelling his hair. His dad was next to me, and I was like, wow. I immediately stopped, laughed at myself, looked at him, and I was like, oh, damn it, never mind. So it's not the words that I mistake, it's the order of the words that I say that just be hella wrong. Anyways, bless my heart. So I hope this makes you happy. I just told my jalele story. I still absolutely love all those Stitch videos. Sometimes I rewatch them because they're really funny to me. Does Stephanie still make jalele? She makes them 5 times a day, okay? And she laughs at it and keeps going, okay? That's what matters. We keep speaking Marshallese because, that's our native tongue. We keep trying, messing up all along the way, laughing at ourselves and moving forward. So, yeah. To the younger generation that feels like they shouldn't speak Marshallese, baby, I'm about to be 30 in a couple of days, and I make mistakes on a daily. So don't get discouraged. Keep going. Keep speaking Marshallese, because I can't speak Marshallese or English. We know this. We all know this. But yeah, that's my jalele story, and I'm about to be 30. Y'all, I'm about to be 30 in a couple of days. And I don't know how I feel about it. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Oh, wait. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's.